So, just got done putting a new door boot in. Hello, dog. Dog, if you go in there, that'll be annoying. It's this thing. You know, the thing between it and the inner seal of the drum. Anyway, I also cleaned out the filter, and you end up with multiple hoses off. So, oh no, is that? Well, let's see if it doesn't leak. I don't know yet. Just saw a drip. I just did a test. But another thing, if you're wondering, just because you have this thing out doesn't mean that this thing spills all over the place. You know what? It looks pretty neat. And you know what? It can modulate. See, it didn't spray a lot there. Come on. There it goes. That's a lot more gusto. So yeah, that's an appreciable rate. Let's see if that dripping was just... I don't see anything. I think we're good. What do you think, dog? I agree. All right, let's get the bottom filter cover back on, and we're good.